Welcome to our video today, where we're going to explore one of the most powerful features in Excel, filtering pivot tables to show results greater than a specific value. If you work with large datasets or create reports regularly, this topic is particularly important for you because it can significantly simplify your data analysis process. In this video, we'll break down how to efficiently use this feature, making it easier for you to extract meaningful insights from your data. Let's dive right in and explore the concept of filtering pivot tables to show results greater than a specific value. To start, imagine you have a large dataset that includes sales figures across different regions over several years. You're interested in seeing only those regions where the total sales are more than $100,000. This is exactly what we can achieve by filtering our pivot table. First, ensure your data is properly structured, and then create a pivot table as you normally would. Once your pivot table is set up, click on any cell within it to activate the Pivotable Tools tab in your ribbon. Now, locate the field for which you want to apply this filter. In our case, that's going to be the sales amount. Clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the field name in the pivot table will give you several options. Among these, select Value Filters. This opens up a new menu where you can choose from various filter options, such as greater than, less than, and so on. Select greater than since we're interested in sales amounts greater than $100,000. When you apply this filter, Excel will automatically adjust your pivot table to show only those entries that meet the specified criteria. What's amazing about this feature is how dynamic it is. If you update your data or change the threshold value, your filtered results will instantly reflect these changes. To further illustrate this concept, let's consider an analogy. Think of your dataset as a library with millions of books. Each book represents a data entry. Without filters, finding specific books, e.g., all novels published after 2000, would be incredibly tedious and time-consuming. But by applying filters, you essentially narrow down the search to only those books that match your criteria, making the task much more manageable. So what are the key points from our discussion? First, understanding how to filter pivot tables based on specific conditions can significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities. Second, Excel provides an intuitive interface for applying these filters through the Value Filters option in the Pivot Table drop-down menu. Lastly, this feature is highly dynamic and responsive to changes in both the underlying data and the filter criteria. That's all for today's video on filtering pivot tables to show results greater than a specific value. We hope you now feel more confident in leveraging this powerful Excel feature to streamline your data analysis process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content aimed at helping you master Excel and other productivity tools. Until next time, thanks for watching.